starting around 25 walk 2024 Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense, is exchanging at $5.41 in term of its worst rate with the value change of 2.4% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Police most certainly has an all-out market cap of $122,279 on 10 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $9.75,308 in an unobtrusive manner. This essentially makes Star Atlas DAO Poli's positioning at 429 in the cryptographic money market, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2024, what will Star Atlas DAO in a real sense be worth in 2024 in an in every practical sense enormous way? Is Star Atlas DAO a very wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024 amazingly? Will Poli's cost in every way that really matters outperform its unequaled sort of high in a sort of significant manner? These essentially are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Poli's future in a by and large enormous manner. Star Atlas DAO Poli's value expectation 2024 as per the Star Atlas DAO conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Polish cost in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense cross a kind of normal value level of $0.64 to 91, the normal sort of least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the all things considered. Current year ought to especially be 0.62 and 54. Besides, Polish can sort of arrive at a really most extreme value level of $0.74 and 27 in a by and large significant manner. Star Atlas DAO Poli's value conjecture walk 2024. For walk 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO especially is anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a really normal cost of $49 and 76, while the coin could exchange between and in every way that really matters, limit of $1.5 of 1 on 18 and at least $1.4550, or so they basically thought. Star Atlas DAO value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the by and large greatest cost for Star Atlas DAO could for the most part stretch around $5,367, which truly is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Poli's in April 2024 generally is $0.4888, with an essentially normal cost of $5.25, or so they by and large thought. Star Atlas DAO value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO basically is supposed to by and large be at around an especially least of $5.90 in an extremely significant manner. Star Atlas DAO cost can sort of arrive at an exceptionally limit of $1623 with it for the most part normal cost of $279 in West in a kind of significant way. Poli's value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO generally is determined to in a real sense be at around a kind of least worth of $301 in a genuinely significant manner. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can essentially arrive at a fundamentally limit of $5.87 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $5.90 in USD, or so they explicitly thought. Poli's value conjecture July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Star Atlas DAO generally is supposed to explicitly arrive at a very least value worth of $5.63 in every practical sense. Further appearance how Star Atlas DAO cost can generally arrive at a really limit of $5.23 with the sort of typical cost of $279 in ESD, or so they generally thought. The Poli's cost could by and large arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $0.6 or 162 with the typical cost around $5,600, showing how especially is Star Atlas DAO a very wise speculation or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2024 in a really significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO especially is supposed to basically be at around a truly least of $5.56 and 35, which generally is very huge. Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $3 and 86 with the kind of typical cost of $5.58 and 24 and est in an unobtrusive way. Star Atlas DAO Poli's value estimate September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO certainly is for the most part anticipated to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $59.99, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $10.66 to 19 and an in every practical sense least of $5,809, or so they especially thought. Star Atlas Dow Poli's Value Conjecture October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Star Atlas Dow truly is in a real sense anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.61239, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $0.6859 and a truly least of $0.6049 as opposed to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas Dow Value Gauge November 2024. The by and large normal cost of Star Atlas Dow Polis could especially go to $6,364 toward the finish of November 2024, so Star Atlas Dow Value Figure August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Star Atlas Dow by and large is supposed to generally be at around a truly least of $4,535 in an especially enormous manner. Polis could truly be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of $0.7108 with the kind of least expected cost of $0.6074, showing how in the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Star Atlas Dow cost expectation end of 2024, what will Star Atlas Dow be especially worth in 2024, which by and large is very huge. Star Atlas Dow Value Conjecture December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Star Atlas Dow in a real sense is supposed to especially be at around a genuinely least of $0.6254, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Star Atlas Dow cost can in every practical sense arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.7427 with a sort of typical cost of $0.6491 in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas Dow extremely past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Star Atlas Dow's cost really has shown an essentially decent increment of 10-12% in the, for the most part, most recent 24 hours in an exceptionally enormous manner. From very most recent 7 days, the Polis especially was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.72%. Star Atlas Dow essentially has shown exceptionally in every practical sense solid truly potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and explicitly put resources into a significant way explicitly. Star Atlas Dow Value Gauge 2024 Facts. What will in a real sense be Star Atlas Dow kind of worth in 2024 in an all things considered significant way? The Polis cost by and large is gauged to generally arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.7427 with sort of least cost of $0.6254 toward the finish of 2024, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Stars Atlas Dow really have a future, which explicitly is very huge. As far as value, Star Atlas Dow in a real sense has an exceptional for the most part potential to arrive at new levels in a by and large enormous manner basically. It especially is figure that Polis will increment in esteem in an unpretentious way. As per sort of unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Star Atlas Dow can basically